Emma stood in her cozy kitchen, the sweet scent of garlic and onions wafting through the air. The large cast-iron skillet in front of her sizzled with an array of fresh seafood: shrimp, scallops, mussels, each piece crackling as it met the hot surface. With meticulous care, she tossed in a handful of chopped parsley, the green herb contrasting vividly against the simmering oceanic bounty. Cooking was more than a hobby for Emma. It was a symphony of flavors, a dance she performed daily to unwind and express herself. As the parsley melded into the dish, releasing its fresh, earthy aroma, Emma couldn't help but smile. She was cooking Paolo's favorite, a dish that had managed to win both their hearts on a sunny patio in Amalfi many years ago. She remembered the carefree days when they had roamed through bustling Italian markets, Paolo's laughter echoing in her ears as they picked ingredients for their next culinary adventure. Today was their anniversary, and though Paolo was stuck at the office, Emma wanted dinner to be special. She glanced at the clock, a gentle worry creasing her brow. Knowing him, he'd work late, forgetting how long he had been at it. Just then, she heard the front door creak open. "Emma, something smells amazing," Paolo's voice rang out. She turned, her eyes meeting his tired but excited ones. "Just in time," she said, as she gestured to the table already set for two. They exchanged smiles, and in that moment, the distance and time melted away. Over dinner, they shared stories and laughter, reminiscing about past adventures and planning new ones. Emma realized that sometimes, the simplest gestures, like a pinch of parsley, could bring back the most cherished memories, weaving them into the present like a fragrant, delicious thread.